Good morning, DXN. Welcome to DXN, the world's largest Ganoderma producer. Started its journey in Jitra, a small town in Kedah, Malaysia in 1993.
We're going to have a short or very brief discussion again about our CNG. So papakita natin yung ating slides para sa inyong lahat. Naka-ready na ba ang ating slides? So, ang CNG natin, this is, kaibahan niya sa cinnamon herbs bag is, this has 7 herbs, samantalang si cinnamon herbs bag has 10. Okay? Tapos ito po ay loose, ibig sabihin, labo-labo sila sa loob, wherein si cinnamon herbs bag is in a bag, no? It's in a pack. So, ano ba ang kaibahan nilang dalawa? Okay, here are the different herbs na kasama ng CNG. We have our kudzu root. Next slide natin. Ayan, okay. So ano ba? Ayan, we have our 7 herbs, our kudzu root, our white peony root, yung ating milicia, Dilsenia, ang ating large leaf gentian root, or yung ating, then we also have our licorice, clematis root, and yung ating Chinese cassia, or yung ating cinnamon. Now, if you notice, 3 of these ingredients are also the components of our Gegen Plus, yung ating food supplement na Gegen. Ang tatlong yon ay si kudzu root, si white peony root, at si Chinese cassia. So, let's look at the benefit of pag-concoct ni Dr. Lim sa 7 ito, sama-sama sa isang bag na ito, no? Sa isang pack na ito. Right, so first ingredient that we have is our kudzu root. Ito po ay isang klase ng vine or parang ampalaya, parang grapes. Na sinabi noon, based on the history, it's a vine that ate the south. Kasi sobrang bilis daw po ng pagtubo niya at naging binder siya ng lupa. So pinatibay niya yung lupa during that time para hindi magkaroon ng landslide. So very useful siya. That was like 2,000 years ago. And during that time, nakita nila yung medicinal purpose niya, kung ano magagawa niya para sa katawan. No? It's for treating diabetes, it's for treating diarrhea, fever, and even heart disease. In its raw form, kung makikita niyo po yung picture, no, para siyang kamote. It resembles a root crop. Kamote, patatas, no, parang ganyan. Kudzu root can be dried. Pag pinatuyo ito at giniling into a powder, ginagawa rin itong breading, no? Parang pag gusto mo magprito, parang harina. No? It can also be used as a thickener for soups and sauces. Okay, kudzu for conditions like, is also used for conditions like drinking. Next slide natin. Ayan, sabi dito, pwede rin siyang mag-treat ng alcoholism or reduces the symptoms of alcohol hangover. Okay, so gusto ko lang itong linawin na hindi ibig sabihin uminom ka ng cinnamon herbs, CNG natin o yung ating Gegen Plus, hindi ka na iinom. No? Hindi nababawasan yung lakas uminom, kung hindi nababawasan yung desire uminom. So kung dati, nakaka-5 bote ka ng beer o nakaka-3 glass ka ng wine, pag nagtitake ka nitong Puraria lobota o yung kudzu root, pwedeng maging 1 bote na lang o 1 glass ng wine na lang. Okay, so kumukonte yung pag-consume mo ng alcohol. Alright, so gusto may mga asawa dyan or boyfriend na medyo malakas uminom, painumin nyo nito, pahigupin nyo nitong CNG. O kaya yung ating Gegen Plus mismo, no? It's also identified for heart and circulatory problems. Could also be used for those with menopause symptoms. So sa mga babaeng nagsisimula na yung mga hot flushes, yung mga irregular na period, yung feeling mo malapit ka na mag-menopause if you're in the age ng mga 45 to 50, ayan, no? Usually nagkakaroon na ng menopausal symptoms. It could also be identified as an herb for wind heat releasing. So yung madalas pagpawisan, maganda rin itong Puraria lobota o yung kudzu para mabawasan yung init sa katawan. Okay? It's one of the earliest medicinal plants that has been used for traditional traditional Chinese medicine, and it actually belongs to the top 50 fundamental herbs. Alright, so yung second herb natin, yung ating peony, ayan, white peony root. It's also known as a white peony root. The flower and the seeds are used to make medicine. So ito pong root na to, kilala din siya sa traditional Chinese medicine for many purposes, no? It may block chemicals produced by the body that can cause muscle cramps or pain and swelling, yung pamamaga. It can also prevent blood clotting, and it can act as an antioxidant, and it also helps improve your blood circulation. Base sa research sa traditional Chinese medicine, sinasabi it may also prevent blood clotting and kill cancer cells and act as an antioxidant. Okay, so dito nakalagay may mga side effects. So actually, it's not a side effect, it's just a precautionary measure. Kasi sabi nila, ang peony daw hindi maganda kapag, sige, next slide pa natin. Hindi maganda sa buntis. Yan, okay. Hindi maganda sa buntis o sa nagbe-breastfeeding. Kasi daw it may increase yung uterine contraction, no? Yung paghilab ng, ano ba tawag doon? Sinapupunan. So, baka feeling mo nanganganak ka na kahit hindi pa. So, for safety precautions lang, kaya sinasabi na while you are pregnant or you're breastfeeding, wag munang mag-take nitong peony o yung white peony root in itself. Okay? So, those sa breastfeeding, there's no enough reliable information bakit hindi siya pwede. Pero just to be on the safe side, so, wag na lang muna natin gamitin kapag buntis, kapag nagbe-breastfeed, at kung merong konting bleeding disorder. Okay, so next slide, we have our Milicia Delcinia o yung Spatolobus suberectus. Yan. This is a bark. No? Kaya kapag binuksan niyo po itong ating cinnamon or sinji, makikita niyo na parang kahoy-kahoy. Yung laman niya kasi may bark, may leaves, no? Ang laman nito. Ang gamit kay Milicia Delcinia ay yung bark niya. Yung pinaka, ano ba yun, sa puno, yung matigas na part, no? It's used for treatment of anemia. Ano ba yung anemia? Yung low in blood, no? Rheumatoid or muscular aches. The roots and the stems are decocted in water. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng decocted? Pinapakuluan. Kapag pinakuluan siya, lumalabas yung flavor, lumalabas yung effect o yung pinakababisang parte ng Milicia Delcinia. Okay? So it enriches the blood and it relaxes your tendon. The next ingredient is yung Cinnamomum cassia or yung Chinese cassia or we commonly know it as cinnamon. I'm sure lahat kayo familiar sa cinnamon, sa mga tinapay meron yan, no? Sa mga ulam, sa kape, naglalagay sila ng cinnamon on top. No? So it's very famous or very common. But you have to be very careful kasi maraming klase ng cinnamon at may mga klase ng cinnamon na hindi maganda in large quantity sa ating katawan. So based on research, itong cinnamon cassia na part ng ating sinji, this is the expensive type. So ito yung hindi magiging problema sa katawan mo even if you take it in large quantity. Now, this is known as a flavoring agent for its sweet flavor that can be used as a spice, di ba? Sa mga pagkain, hinahalo natin siya. Or its aroma, yung amoy, no? Pag nag-mall kayo, napadaan kayo sa isang bake shop na nagluluto ng cinnamon, hindi pwedeng hindi kayo mapapatigil, aamuyin, parang gusto nyo tignan kung ano yung tinitinda nila, di ba? Ganon ka-attractive yung amoy ng cinnamon. Cinnamon has antimicrobial activity. It can be taken by mouth or orally for those with diabetes, may mga problema sa gas o yung madalas na nagre-release ng gas or flatulence, muscle and stomach spasms. It also prevents nausea o yung pagkahilo and vomiting, diarrhea, infections, common cold, and loss of appetite. Some also use it for erectile dysfunctions, mga kalalakihan, sa mga nagsisimula magkaroon ng ganitong problema, pwede rin magamit yung cinnamon. And it could also be applied sa oil to repel mosquito. Di ba? Uso yung citronella. yung pampahid, lalo na ngayong panahon ng malamok, di ba? So yung cinnamon herbs, pwede nyo rin siyang gamitin together with a little oil to apply on your body. It can also stop the growth of some types or solid tumor cells and improves the blood flow. Ang next ingredient natin, ito si Glycyrrhizia glabra. Okay, it's also known as licorice. Mas madaling i-pronounce yung common name niya as licorice. It's used as a natural sweetener and a flavoring agent. So madalas din itong hinahalo sa mga pagkain. It's used to flavor foods, beverages, and even tobacco o yung sigarilyo. A small perennial herb, itong licorice, has been traditionally used to treat many diseases such as respiratory disorders, hyperdyspepsia, epilepsy, fever, sexual debility, paralysis, stomach ulcers, rheumatism, skin diseases, hemorrhagic diseases, and jaundice. Wala yan sa slides. Wag mo nang hanapin. Okay, okay, it is used to treat conditions such as eczema and acne. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo yung ating gano'n siya i-series noon, merong licorice yun. Yung mga skincare products natin kasi maganda rin siya for the skin. It's a rich source of antioxidants and it also offers skin lightening and anti-aging benefit. Okay, next slide. Ang ating susunod na ingredient is itong si Clematis chinensis osbeck. Okay, this is also known as a clematis root. It's an herb that unblocks the collaterals. Pag sinabing collaterals, yung mga extremities po, na yung arms and legs, and it relieves the pain. It's also good for wounds because it's anti-inflammatory. It stops the cancer cells from dividing and growing in our body. So it's also an anti-tumor. It's antimicrobial. It's used for joint pains, headaches, gout, skin conditions, and wound healing. Ang next slide natin. Okay. It's also known yung itong Gentiana macrophylla or yung large leaf gentian root. It comes from the plants of gentian genus. This is one of known as a traditional medicine. It has an active component such as iridoids, saccharoids, xanthones, and flavonoids. Okay, ito yung mga active ingredients na meron sa Gentiana. It acts as a defense against infection. It's an antioxidant. It's anti-tumor, anti-allergic, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral activities. In other words, siyang malaking kontrabida. Lahat kinokontra niya, no? And of course, you know what flavonoids are. No, flavonoids is an example of a phytonutrient yung nakukuha natin sa mga halaman, mostly in fruits and vegetables. At yung nagbibigay ng kulay sa mga prutas at sa gulay, no? Ang flavonoids po are very powerful antioxidants with anti-inflammatory and immune system benefits. So ang ating Sinji, okay, next slide. Ang Sinji po natin is not just a soup, no? It's a combination of these 7 herbs that can be part of our usual menu. Okay. A combination of kudzu with other crude herbs may synergistically act to achieve greater effect. It diminishes the possible adverse effect of one or more of the components, helps to enhance the general health and wellness ng ating katawan. So in other words, since pinagsama-sama po itong 7 ito, ang ganda ng effect na ibinibigay niya sa ating katawan. So kung nakita niyo naman kanina, inisa-isa natin, lahat halos antiviral, antimicrobial. So we just incorporate itong Sinji with our regular food and definitely benefit po yung ating katawan doon sa magagandang magagawa ng 7 herbs na yon sa ating body. So the last time, if you were able to watch, meron pa pala, sorry. Sige, balik. Ang ating Sinji, kagaya ng ating mga produkto dito sa DXN, there's no preservative, no sodium, no additives, no coloring. Yes, I'd like to stress on the no sodium. Kaya pag ginamit niyo po itong Sinji or even yung ating cinnamon herbs, kayo ang mag-a-adjust ng panlasa. Kung gusto yung medyo may konting alat or may konting tamis, you could add a salt or sugar or kung ano man yung gusto nyo idagdag kasi wala siyang sodium na halo. Okay, next slide. Okay, so direction for use. Normally, yung isang pack po na ganito, pakukuluan po natin with 900 ml of water for about 20 minutes. Is-strain nyo po yon kasi nga dahil hindi naman siya nakalagay sa pack. Yung napakuluan ninyo, yung po yung pwede nyong higupin as a soup or you can incorporate it with your regular ulam. Okay? Yung napakuluan nyo na actually, para sa akin, pwede nyo pang gamitin ng 1 o 2 beses pa. So what you do to store it, you can put it in a sealed pack, sealed plastic bag or yung mga lock and lock na lalagyanan, then put it in the ref para yung malamig na malamig para hindi masira yung components. And then you can boil it again. So, let's show the price. Kung kukumpitin nyo po yung isang box na ganito, which contains 5 na ganito, 720 pesos for distributors. Kung i-divide nyo by 5, bawat isa lang nito, hindi siya ganun kalaking idadagdag sa inyong budget. But, the benefit na makukuha ng mga anak nyo, ng asawa nyo sa kinakain nyo, ay napakalaking bagay. So, today we're going to show you another recipe that we made. Noong nakaraan, gumawa po tayo ng steamed fish with Sinji. At saka yung chicken sotanghon soup natin with Sinji.
Make sure you find the time and spend some money for your health before it is too late. DXN products help your body to maintain optimal health. Give them a try, and you will feel the benefits of DXN products in a more natural way. Thank you for spending your time with us.